ஞானானந்தமயம் தேவம் விமலஸ்பரிகாசகம் ஆதாரம் சர்வவித்யானாம் ஹிக்ரீம் உபாஸ்மஹே. சுவாமி இதுதான இந்த ஒரு கேம்ப் ரொம்ப அழகா சுவாமி தேசிகனுடைய கிருப்பையால நல்லா இருந்துருக்கு. அதனால எம்பெருமானிதான ஒரு அனுகிரகத்தால நாம இன்னைக்கு 5வது நாள் இருக்கோம். அந்த 5வது நாள்ல நாம இப்ப என்ன இது வரைக்கும் என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படிங்கிறத ஒரு வாட்டி ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நம்ம ஏற்கனவே நம்ம சில விஷயங்கள்லாம் கத்துருக்கோம், அதை நாம ரிவைஸ் பண்ணலாம். அது எவ்வளவு எஃப்சிசி என்ன லிங்க் தெரியுமோ? அதனால நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இதுல இன்டராக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கா. நிறைய பேர் பண்ணல, 1-to-1 இன்டராக்ஷன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். பண்ணாதவா அவ 21st அன்னைக்கு லாஸ்ட் டே ஆஃப் தி கேம்ப் அன்னைக்கு சாயங்காலம் பண்ணலாம், 4 to 6 பண்ணலாம். அன்னைக்கு சொல்ற லிங்க் எல்லாம் சொல்றோம். மறுபடியும் ஒரு மொத்தமே ஒரு 60 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் தான் இன்டராக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கா 90 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்ல. ஸோ ஆர் யூ ஏபிள் டு ஹியர் கிளியர்லி? should be able to hear us.
Yes Swami, I can hear you.
யாரோ கேட்கலன்றா, செக் பண்ணுமா, உங்களுடைய ஸ்பீக்கர் செக் பண்ணுமா. ஏமா போட்டிருக்கேன், ரைட். செக் இட், யூ ஆர் ஏபிள் டு ஹியர், ரைட்? ஓகே, ஃபைன் ஃபைன், ஓகே, சூப்பர். ஸோ we can those who have not interacted with me, because I find pleasure interacting with children, very nice. Many people give a very good feedback that we are getting good advantage of listening to these classes. GSPK தான் நன்றி சொல்லணும். ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் அமைச்சு கொடுத்து நமக்கு ஒரு அழகான ஒரு சத்சங்கத்தை ஏற்படுத்து. குழந்தைகள்லாம் ரொம்ப அழகா சொன்னோம். Some of the students, they were very clear that the aim of this entire camp is continuous satsang. Very nice. So now be ready for revision. So I want quick answers, right? Hope you will give fast answers. Okay, ready? Let us go. Okay, fine. Health is blank. Yeah, Vasudharini, wealth, right? Punctuality is the reflection of sincerity. Long idea. Okay, fine. Sincerity, okay, Vishwa. Reverse for Simon. Fine, everybody has written that. Okay, we should chant blank while waking up. Hari, Vidya, Sudarshan, fine. Color of the bed. What is the color of the bed in which we sleep? In the color also. White, very good. Aditya, fine. Bhagavad Gita says sleep should be blank to the Lord. Sleep should be blank upward. Yeah, Shruti Shri. Yeah, fine, very nice. Excellent. Lord Narayana resides inside the blank. It starts with P. Inside the Puritat. Yeah, who said that? Yeah, Shruti Shri, fine. Just reading the first name, right? Okay. Blank hour sleep is recommended for good health. How many hours? Yeah, 6. Very nice. Yeah, very Dhanya, Achudan. Yeah, everybody has it. Fine. We should not sleep with our blank in north direction. We should not sleep keeping our blank in north direction. What? Head, Advika, fine. Head. Sleep is a blank to perform our duties. Sleep is a blank to perform our duties. Sleep is a necessity, right? Vivaswatiman, or sleep is necessary. Okay. Okay. Gold is put in fire to blank it. To what? Purify. Somebody said, yeah, only Sri Vidya. Right, fine. So purify, right? Not melt. Okay. Because I am restricting myself to the syllabus which we covered. Okay. Melt is also correct, but I didn't say that. My point was, gold is put into the fire to purify it. You can always say polish it, to bend it and all. But what we discussed here only, I am asking a question on that. Okay, fine. I gave this example for what? That God gives us blank to purify us. Perumal gives us blank to purify us. What? Perumal now degree. Challenges, troubles, hardship, everything was there in fine. Haripriya also fine. Good. பெருமாள் நமக்கு சோதனைகள் கொடுத்துனே இருப்பார். ஏன்னா அப்பதான் நாம பியூரா இருப்போம். அதனால சோதனை மேல் சோதனை வந்தாதான் ஒரு நல்ல பக்தன் அர்த்தம். சோதனையே இல்லாம நல்ல பக்தன் இல்ல, விட்டுட்டார் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். தண்ணி தெளிச்சு விட்டார், சரி இந்த கர்மா முடிஞ்சிட்டு வரட்டும் அப்புறம் பார்த்துக்கலாம் அடுத்த ஜென்மம். ஓகே, it keeps on testing you, purifying you by giving different troubles or tests. If you go to school, you are given continuous tests, right? You have to pass the examination, right? You can't say, I will go to the school, there should not be any test. Test is a must to pass the examination, right? To upgrade yourself. Clear? Okay. Next. Gajendra is the name of? Yeah, we were said, elephant, fine. Bhattar said, Parasar Bhattar said, my pranams to your blank in protecting Gajendra. Speed, yeah, Hasini, right, fantastic. Speed. Next, sleep is a waste of time. True or false? False, yeah, Advaryu, fine. Advaryu Rajesh, fine, excellent. Anushtana means blank. Advika, fine, practice. Why do you put column, Rangoli, in front of our rose? Column is to honor blank. Which Perumal? Murali, Murali, Narsimha. Narsimha Rangu Padila, Avatar Mundandiya, Lakshmi Narsimha. So he took avatar on at the doorstep, right, at the entrance. So we honor Narsimha by putting Rangoli. Fine. Pundarika story stresses the importance of respect to blank. Pundarikan Kadayala, Yarukku Mariyada. Fine. Fine, fine. Beautiful, yeah, parents, Hasini and all, everybody was that. Indradyumna story stresses the importance of blank. Yes. Importance of Indradyumna. Bhagavatas, yeah, correct. Bhagavata Kankani, Vasudharini, or Bhaktiya, all are correct. Fine. Ellarme correct. Then our feet must be blank while going to bed. Nama kaal enna eppadi irukanum? Paduthukiche. Aditya Soundarajan, dry. Fine. Beautiful. What should we chant while eating? Advika, Govinda, fine, fine, beautiful. Anyway, all of you give wonderful answers. Some people take time in typing, no problem. If you can check and the answer is correct, there is no problem there. You revised very well. Yeah. So, now we will go to a very important aspect of Vaishnavism. That is, Pancha Samskaram. Right? This is equal for all boys and girls, right? Men and women also, it is applicable. So, we are taking a common subject. Pancha. What is Pancha? Anybody? What is Pancha? Fine. Yeah, who said that? Achyutan. Fine. Srinivas also. Okay, fine. Fine. Pancha samskaram. Samskara means sacred rituals. Yeah. Okay. Vaishnava should get initiated. ஒரு வைஷ்ணவன்னு சொன்னா அவனுக்கு ஒரு தீட்சை வேண்டும், அப்பதான் வைஷ்ணவன் ஆகும். For example, the convocation ceremony, they call it a Dikshanta Samaroh, right? Even now India also, Sanskrit also. Dikshanta. What is Diksha? You have completed your education, right? Similarly, we need a purification rite, RIT, to become a Vaishnava. Yes or no? True or false? Right, fine. So, according to the Agamas, procedural texts, right, they declare that a Vaishnava must be initiated. This process of initiation, there is another name for this Pancha Samskara. What is that another name? Can anyone say? Samashrayanam. Who said that? Yeah, Sudarshan Srinivasan. Very good, excellent. So another name is called Samashrayanam, right? And it should be done through whom? Anybody can do that? Who will do that Samashrayanam? Who is supposed to do? Vasumati said Achyutan also Acharya, right? Fine. Acharyanda Samashrayanamo Panchasamskara Acharyanda Panano. Inga pakathu oru nalla friend irukku. அவர் நான் சொன்னதெல்லாம் கேட்பார், அவர்னு நான் பண்ணிக்கிறேன் சொல்லக்கூடாது. நல்ல பரம்பரையில வந்து இல்லையா? So it means that you are some ashranam. Samashrayanam means samyak ashranam. You are connected, well connected with Vishnu. That is the idea. Samashrayanam means well inducted and well annexed, well connected. Ashrayanam, ஆசிரியப்பதுன்னு சொல்றேன் இல்லையா? So nowadays இந்த காலத்துல ஆண்டவன் சிமதாண்டவன், சிமதாய் சிங்க, சிமத் பிரகார சுவாமி, சேட்டூர் சுவாமி, அது மாதிரிலாம் பையம்பாடி சுவாமி, தாத்தாச்சார சுவாமி இவெல்லாம் பண்ணி சயமாச்சாரிய புருஷா அவெல்லாம் பண்றான் இல்லையா? So anybody cannot do that. Okay, so samskaram means that which qualifies you, right? And they are 5 in number in this pancha samskara. So a bunch, a group of 5-fold ritualistic process is called what? It's called Pancha Samskara. Yes. Okay. So a 5-fold ritualistic process, a bunch of 5-fold ritualistic process called Pancha Samskaram. Right? Let us see what are these 5 samskaras. First one is Tapam. T-H-A-A-P-A-M. Tapam means you apply heated Shankha and Chakra on our shoulders. Chakra on right shoulder and Shankha on the left shoulder. You heat Shankha and Chakra and emboss slightly on the shoulders. Shankha Chakra theriyum. Okay? And Pundram. Second one is, first one is Tapam. Second one is Pundram. Pundram means you start applying 12 tilaks, Urdhva Pundram. Urdhva means that which takes us upwards, that we promote such in our life, that always lifts us up. Urdhva means going up. Pundram means this tilak, Tiruman, right? Sri Churnam, etc. So you apply it well from the day you get initiated. And ladies, they don't, although they apply acharyas on that day, later on important occasions only they are applying generally. Or Ardha Chandravadi villa of crescent moon shape la Thiruman vechi இப்படி சீச்சனம் வைக்கிறது வழக்கம் இல்லையா? That you have seen already. Anyway, Pundram is nothing but marking symbols on the forehead. First one is Tapam, second is Pundram, Third one is mantram. Mantra means Acharya gives you the mantra, secret mantras, sacred mantras and secret mantras, mainly Tirumantram, Ashtaksharam, right? Mainly Ashtaksharam or Tirumantram. Okay? So, Ashtaksharam, Dayam, Charama Shlokam, etc. So, this is called mantram. Acharya gives secretly, he calls you, and then it is a rahasyam. They are all very secret, right? You cannot put in your mic and announce, come on, first mantra, second mantra, third mantra, right? So, third one is mantram. First one is tapam, embossing chakra and shankha on the shoulders. Second one is pundram, urdhva pundram. Third one is mantram. Acharya will tell you, Acharya வந்து கூப்பிட்டுட்டு காதுல ரகசியமா மந்திரம் சொல்ற. முதல்ல சங்கு சக்கரம் அத்தால அங்காரம் பண்றது. சங்க சக்கராஞ்சனம் பேர். அர்த்தம் பூண்டறன்னா திருமஞ்சிச்சனம். 12 திருமஞ்சிச்சனன்றத கத்து கொடுப்பா. Fourth, third one is mantram. Fourth is namam. What is this namam? Anybody? What is this namam? What is namam? Mantra, no. What is namam? Namam, not Perumal. So that's it. Yeah. Generally people say Perumal, not Perumal namam also. No. Perumal namam ulla Perumannum கிடையாது. இங்க நாமம்னு சொன்னா என்னன்னா initiating, getting a dasyana, giving a dasya nam. Namam is not resource namam here. Here that namam means in Panchasamskaram. For example, there is one person, anybody can get initiated. For example, there is one person, say, whose name is Katta, Chakka, they call either, no? Perumal Parvepa, everybody Kupa, illa? Yeah. Kuprade, Yananma Kuprava, Soldadone, Kupradon. இல்லையா நரசிம்மா அப்படின்னு பேரு சின்ன கூப்பிடுவோம் நச்சு அப்படின்னு இல்லையா பார்த்துட்டா அப்படின்னு போட்டு பிச்சு அப்படின்லாம் கூப்பிடும். So suppose somebody's name is பிச்சை பட்டை அது மாதிரி இருந்தா அவன் பேர் எப்படி சொல்லணும்? தாஸ்யநாமம் சொல்லுவான். நாராயணதாசன், ராமானுஜதாசன், கோவிந்ததாசன். They give the initiate with a dasyanama. Right? They change the name. But if our name is Perumal name, they won't change. இல்லையா ஏற்கனவே பெருமாளுடைய பேராக அதை மாற்ற மாட்டோம். விஷ்ணுவுடைய பேராக பண்ணுவா. So generally they give a new name if the name is not Vishnu's name. If your name is, for example, you are a foreigner, a British, a person, an American, a Briton comes there, and then you want so much. His name is Mr. Wood, Mr. Stone. கேள்விப்பட்டீங்களா? அது மாதிரிலாம் மிஸ்டர் வுட், மிஸ்டர் ஸ்டோன் தான் இருக்கும். ஐன்ஸ்டைன் அப்படின்னு ஒரு சயின்டிஸ்ட், ஐன்ஸ்டைன் சொல்றோம். ஜெர்மன்ல ஐன்ஸ்டைன். ஸ்டைன்னா ஸ்டோன், ஐன்னா ஒரு ஸ்டோன், ஒரு கல், ஒரு பேர் அப்படி வச்சிருக்கா. ஒரு ஃபார்முலா 1 ரேஸ் கார் சாம்பியன், அவன் வந்து ஷூ மாக்கர்னு, ஷூன்னா செருப்பு, மாக்கர்னு தைக்கிறவன், செருப்பு தைக்கிறவன், சக்கிலி. ஆனா பெருமையா வச்சுக்கிறான், மிக்காயில் ஷூ மாக்கர்னு பேர். நம்ம மைக்கேல் ஷூ மேக்கர்னு சொல்லி, மிக்காயில் ஷூ மாக்கர். So how will you call them? Suppose he comes for tamasha, so you have to change Madhavadasa, Govindadasa. That is called namam here. Okay, yeah. So anybody can get samashanam done, but his name should be Vishnu's name, so they change it. Next, last one is, so first one is tapam, Shankha Chakram வைக்கிறது, embossing Shankha and Chakra. Second is pundram. Third one is mantram. Fourth is namam, changing the name. If it is not Vishnu's name, they will change your name. Okay. Fifth one is yagam. It is not being taught nowadays. You have to learn from elders. It's a part of the Panchasamskaram. Yagam means to do Tiruvaradhanam. Perumal Tiruvaradhanam. It's not for the girls here, the boys. Girls can help, ladies can help in cooking, in cleaning the vessels for Tiruvaradhanam, etc. That is also Yagam. Yagam means here Tiruvaradhanam. Perumal Tiruvaradhanam. Okay. So, here 5 limbs are there. 5-fold ritualistic group is called Pancha Samskaram. Tapam means embossing with Shankan Chakra. Kundra means Tilak, Tirmanchi Charnam. Mantra means imparting a secret and sacred mantras. Namam means giving a new name if the name is not Vishnu's name. Otherwise they won't give. Ilya Govinda, Gopala, Hari, Raghava, the perla makamata. They don't change. Yagam means teaching Tiruvaradhanam. Nowadays, you can learn from others and it's also part of the Tiruvaradhanam. Okay. So, what does it mean? A Vaishnava, he does Bhagavad Kankari, right? And to get qualification to do some Kankaryam in certain rituals, you need Samashrayanam. Yeah. So, அதனால என்ன பண்ணுவான், அவன் பாடி பெருமாளுடைய ஐடென்டிட்டி அடையாளம் வச்சுப்பான், பெருமாள் திருவடிய இங்க நெத்தியில வச்சுப்பான், பெருமாளை வாயால மந்திரம் சொல்லுவான், ஜபிப்பான், நான் அவருடைய தாசன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவான். அப்புறம் இவன் எப்பொழுதுமே பெருமாளை வணங்கி இருப்பான் இல்லையா? So this is a practice, right? According to authoritative scriptures, these are the essentials of Samaj Kainam or Pancha Samskaram. Okay. Now, what for Pancha Samskaram? To do service, Perumal. Okay. So, we adorn our body, we decorate our body. This is a temple, right? Body is a temple of God with conch and disc, Shankan Chakra. You adorn body with Thiruman, make it, it is in the form of, Thiruman should be in the form of Perumal's lotus feet, Perumal Tiruvadi Madhiri. Thirumana Pata Tiruvadi Yavagam. Yeah. So, next, constantly you should chant his name and we should call ourselves as his followers. Nama Mukundan Perna, Mukunda Dasan. We call like that, right? Go Saka Dasan. Sudarshana Dasan. Kele, right? We say Dasan. And we do Aradhanam for Perumal, for his pleasure. So this is what is Pancha Samskaram. Yeah, I will tell you a story. Yeah, there was a great Vedic scholar. His name was Keshava Somayaji. What was his name? Keshava Somayaji. A great scholar, Vaidika. He went to a great Acharya by name Tirumale Nambigal. He went to Tirumale Nambi because he wanted to marry Tirumale Nambi's daughter, Tirumale Nambi's sister, sorry. They were quite acharam, they were very nice, well practiced, very devoted. So, Keshava Somayaji wanted to marry the sister of Tirumale Nambi. He went to Tirumale Nambi and then asked Nambi, can you give your sister, I want to marry her because I want to become a grihastha and do a better service. நான் கல்யாணம் பண்ணிட்டு நிறைய கைங்கரியம் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். உங்க தங்கை ஒருத்தி இருக்கான்னு கேள்விப்பட்டேன், அவளை கொடுப்பீங்களா? உங்க சிஸ்டர் இருக்கான்னு கேள்விப்பட்டேன், தருவீங்களா அப்படின்னு கேட்டது. உடனே immediately Tirumale Nambi asked this Keshavaya Somayaji, there is no Samashranam, I don't see Shankha Chakra. Then how can you marry my sister? Shankha Chakra me aala, nee Samashranam panikala, na eppadi en தங்கையை கொடுப்பேன் அப்படின்னாரு. ஷாக் ஆச்சு. அப்படியா, நீங்களே பண்ணி விடுங்களேன் எனக்கு, நீங்க பெரிய மகான், ஆள வந்து அவருடைய சிஷ்யர். Then you get it done. You do it to me because you are a disciple of Yamunacharya or the great or the. So who should be more qualified than me? Please do that immediately. Then this Thirumalai Nambi is also known as Tirunambi, also known as Sri Shaila Purna. Right? This Sri Shaila Purna or Thirumalai Nambi performed Panchasamskaram to Keshava Somayaji and then gave his sister in marriage to Keshava. சமாசிரயணம் பண்ணி வச்சிட்டு திருமண நம்பி தன்னுடைய தங்கையை கல்யாணம் பண்ணி கொடுத்தார். யாருக்கு? கேசவ சோமயாஜி. Right? This Keshava Somayaji is none other than the father of Vasumati, Ramanuja. This Keshava Somayaji, the father of Ramanuja, had to undergo Samashiranam before getting married to Ramanuja's mother. Before getting married to sister of Thirumalai Nambi. So that was the qualification to get married. And you know, this Ramanuja later on became a famous Acharya who propagated Vaishnava principles globally. உலகம் மொத்தம் வைஷ்ணவ சம்பிரதாயத்தை பரப்பினவர் ராமானுஜர். அதே எல்லாம் அதில் ஒன்றும் தப்பு, எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். எந்த சம்பிரதாயமாக இருந்தாலும் ராமானுஜ பக்தி ஏற்றுன்னு தான் பண்றோம். See how important it is, right? In those days, if you are not, it's not clear. If you are not done Samashrayanam, then nobody will give their daughter in marriage to you. சமாசிரன் ஆகலைன்னா கல்யாணம் பண்ணி வைக்க மாட்டா அந்த காலத்துல. ஓகே, so there are many books. Who wrote this Panchasamskaram? Who knows this? What is the proof? நீங்க பாட்டு சொல்லிட்டே போறீங்களே மாமா, எங்க சொல்லிருக்கு? பஞ்சராத்திர ஆகமங்கள்ல சொல்லிருக்கு. பெருமாளே சொன்ன சாஸ்திரம். This process is applicable to all persons, to all, everyone, every human being. Sometimes they do Samashiranam, even cows and all who do Hinkarian. It is applicable to all people, irrespective of male or female. No caste, no creed. Anybody can get it done. And this process is independent of birth. Brahmanano, Vaishyano, Kshatriyano, Shudrano, யார் வேண்டுமானும் வைஷ்ணவன் ஆகலாம். According to the scriptures, anybody can become a Vaishnava, irrespective of whether it's a Brahmin, whether it's a Kshatriya, or whether it's a Vaishya, or whether it's a Shudra. Anyone. Right? And sometimes one who has taken birth in a Vaishnava family may go astray. Vaishnavana பிறந்து நிறைய பேர் தப்பாக போகலாம். தப்பு வழியில போய் பூனெல்லாம் தூக்கி போட்டுட்டு அரைச்சிட்டு நெப்பி அழிச்சிட்டு அப்படி போனாலும் அவர்களும் மறுபடியும் வந்து சமாசிரணம் செய்து பவித்திரமாகலாம். So even such persons can come back to this fold. They can become Vaishnavas by getting Samashrayanam done from a bona fide Acharya. Clear? Okay. So it's a practice to go through the samskaram for the boys immediately after Upanayana. ஆம்பளைகளுக்கெல்லாம் உபநயனம் ஆனப்புறம் சமாசிரணம். And for after the marriage for girls generally. Yeah, any religion, any caste can become Samashrayanam if we have faith in Vishnu. That's all. So generally boys, they undergo Panchasamskaram after Upanayanam and girls after marriage. However, one can go through this process for the girls also nowadays. Sometimes, if so desired, if he desires so, even before Upanayanam also, even for girls nowadays, even before marriage also, Acharya said, what is more important is get Samashiranam done. That's important. And old age is not a limitation. வயசாயிடுத்து எனக்கு 70 வயசாயிடுச்சு இப்ப என்னத்துக்கு சமாச்சாரம் தரக்கூடாது, அப்பயும் பண்ணிக்கணும். person one is old also can get samashrayam done. Then only a person who is initiated with samashrayam ஆனவாதான் கோவில்கள்ல சில கைங்கரியங்கள் பண்ணணும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் தலிகை பண்ணணும்னா சமாச்சாரம் ஆயிரும். அது மாதிரிலாம் இருக்கு in some temples. But even if your own one, even now in some houses, you will not be allowed into the kitchen unless until if you have samashrayam done. Samashrayam ஆனாலே வெளிய கிச்சன்ல போக முடியும், தலிகை பண்ண முடியும், சாய்க்க முடியும். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நியமம் வச்சிருந்தா அது மாத்திரம் இல்ல, பாத்திரம் பெருமாள் பாத்திரம் கூட தொட முடியாது. You cannot even touch பெருமாள் பாத்திரம் if you have not done samashrayam. I mean in the houses also they don't allow you to touch vessels. ஆத்திர கூட பாத்திரங்களை தொடவிட மாட்டாங்க சமாச்சாரம். ஒரு காலத்துல இப்பெல்லாம் கோயில்கள் யார் வந்தா போகணும், ஊனல் ஒண்ணு இருக்கா வா வந்துரு அப்படின்னு போட்டு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். அப்படி ஆயிடுச்சு, மனுஷா இல்ல. different thing. And then சமாச்சாரம் ஆன உடனே ரொம்ப ஜாக்கிரதையா இருக்கும். One must not avoid food offered by a person who is not initiated. சமாச்சாரம் ஆன அப்புறம் சமாச்சாரம் ஆகாதவா போட்ட சாதம் சாப்பிடக்கூடாது. இதுன்னு சரி ஒரு காலத்து. ஆனா இப்ப யாரும் பிராக்டிக்கலா அது நடக்கிறது இல்ல. கேட்டரிங்க வந்துருது. கேட்டரிங் எந்த சுவாமி பண்ணாரு, யார் பண்ணாரு யாரு தெரியுது. டப்பார் வருது, டிக்கி கிக்கி ஏதோ சொல்றானே, டிக்கி யார் கொண்டு வரோம். ஸோ அதெல்லாம் பண்ணணும், முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் சுத்தமாக இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கு. ஸோ of all these things, tapam is very, very important. Shankha Chakram. Now, why Shankha Chakram? Why not all the 5 ayudhas? Generally, Shankha and Chakra, conch and disc are very sacred weapons of the Lord. So, any person who want to become a true Vishnu Bhakta must emboss with this Shankha and Chakra. He must display, I am the servant of Vishnu. The conch, white conch, vellai changu, symbolizes purity of knowledge. Jnanatha kodukkum. Sarattam yasa samsthane sabdete paridrishyate prabho prakaranendasya panchajanyaha sa patu vaha. And the panchajanya rakshikattam. Right? It gives knowledge, pure knowledge, purity of knowledge. And Chakra gives purity of energy. Yada Yaktam Jagat Chakram Kala Chakram Shashvatam. Purity of energy. Priya Shakti Guna Vishnu Yobhavati Atishaktiman. Right? And thus we get knowledge and energy from Perumal. And that concept is present in Shankha Chakra Launchan. Vedas, Smritis, Itihasas, Puranas, Agamas all declare that one must display Shankha Chakra on the body. All of them. So, it is a must. And traditions from our Alvars and Acharyas, they also say this. Koyir Puriyade Utrundu Nindri Kurigudiya Chaygindro. Right? Alvar also says this. Koyir Puriyade Tiyit Pariginda Sanjodadari Tigal Tiru Chakaratin Koyir Puriyade Utrundu Nindri. For what? Kurigudiya Chaygindro. Why we are applying Shankha Chakra on our shoulders? Alvar says to do eternal service. Kudi Vadi Archi. Right from our great grandfather, grandfather, Tata, Kudutata. எல்லாரும் ஒரு கைங்கரியம் பண்றதுக்கு தான் Shankha Chakra வச்சிருக்கோம். So this process has to be done only through an Acharya, not by ourselves. நானே Shankha Chakra எடுத்துக்கேன், நல்லா அடிக்கிறேன், பட்டான்னு வச்சுக்கூட வச்சல்லது. And a bona fide Acharya will come with that. Parampara should be able to do that. So because they know the procedures, Agama procedures, then first they do Tiruvaradhanam to the Shankha and Chakra. They are sanctified. They are kept in Tiruvaradhanam every day. Shankha Chakrangalukku Avanamatu Vaikirada Shankha Chakram. Adukku Tiruvaradhanam undi. Dinam. And then they heat in an appropriate manner. With gentle heat pannuva. And then they apply on the shoulders of the disciple. They gently they will heat. Right shoulders bears the symbol of disc, Sudarsana Alvan, and left bears the symbol of Panchajanya Alvan, Shankha. Generally, it is recommended that Shankha Chakra should be visible. They can be re-stamped also. If it disappears, there is nothing wrong in that. But it should be generally visible. Then one cannot apply any other symbol in the body. In the tattoo permanent permanent tattoo you cannot apply tattoo. No other application of heated symbol other than Shankha Chakram is allowed in the text. This is similar to surgery to the body, right? This is necessary to the soul. Shankha Chakra Lanchanam, Samasam necessary to the soul, just as surgery is necessary to the body. Okay, any significance? What is the advantage? Is that, number one, why we should apply? What is the advantage of Samasam? He says, why Shankha Chakra? This is like, I am a Dasan. You see politicians, right? They apply the symbols, their party symbol. அது கையில அப்படியே டாட்டூ பண்ணிருப்பான். பச்சை குத்துவா. தமிழ்நாட்டு ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி இல்ல, பச்சை குத்து. உதய சூரியன் ரெட்டை எல்லாம் குத்துவா இல்லையா கையில. நான் இந்த பார்ட்டியை சேர்ந்தவன், இது தொண்டன் அப்படின்னு. அந்த மாதிரி விஷ்ணுவுக்கு தொண்டன்னா தொண்டர் 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 தம் ஷடகோபன் நம்ம வச்சுக்கோணும். If you are a servant of Vishnu, you should also display that you are a servant of Vishnu. Only this Shankha Chakra. Some people have colored borders, colored badges, etc. So this means Undanno reveal namakingorikka udiyadu. This is for service, to do service. So I am a servant, I will always do service to you. That is why Shankha Chakram is necessary. Second one, and we should be proud. I am, yes. I am displaying proudly that I am Shankha Chakra, I am a Vaishnava. Second, it is auspicious, Mangalam. Just as a housewife has Thirumangalyam. ஒரு சுமங்கலி சரி எப்படி திருமங்கல்யம் வச்சுப்பாளோ அந்த மாதிரி வைஷ்ணவனுக்கு இதெல்லாம் முக்கியம். சுமங்கலி ஸ்திரீக்கு நெத்தியில போட்டு இருக்கணும், கையில வளையல் இருக்கணும், மெட்டி இருக்கணும், குங்குமம் இருக்கணும், இதெல்லாம் அது மாதிரி. Similarly, Shankha Chakram also is auspicious for us. Mangalam is. And health of the body. According to Ayurveda, Unani or Siddha, etc., acupressure is very relief for many diseases. So Samachranam also is a sort of health measure. Then fourth point is to qualification. Only Shankha Chakra Lanchanam will qualify you to do Tiruvadaram. Genuinely you can chant Tirumantram, Ashtakcharam, Dayam, Charam, Shlokam. Only when Samasranam is done. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம அந்த மந்திரங்களை சொல்ல ஜெபம் பண்ண முடியாது. பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா, அது பலன் இல்லை. சதாச்சாரியன் மூலமாக சமாசனம் பண்ணிட்டு தான் ஜெபிக்கணும். Only you can do ஜபம் only after getting initiated through Dronacharya. நானே சிடியில பார்த்தேன், புக்கில் பார்த்தேன், இதை பார்த்து கத்துனேன், செல்லில் வந்துட்டு வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் இருக்கு நான் கத்துட்டேன், அஷ்டாட்சரம் எனக்கு தெரியுமே, அதெல்லாம் படிக்காது. It should be only through an acharya. Then to word of Yamaduta. Yamaduta himself says, Yama says, anybody who is having Thiruman or Shankha Chakram, don't go near them, because they are Vishnu Dasa. So according to Matsya and Vishnu Purana, any person who has Shankha Chakram, in Matsya Purana and Vishnu Purana it said, they cannot go to hell, they will not go to hell. Then, sixth point, you need Shankha Chakram for some spiritual karmas. Right. So, it is also a requirement for mantropatism. And then, Shastras. Why Samachranam? எனக்கு இதெல்லாம் பிடிக்காது, நான் விஷ்ணு பக்தன், நான் திருமணம் இட மாட்டேன், சங்கு சக்கரம் போட மாட்டேன், என்ன இஷ்டம் சொல்ல முடியாது. சாஸ்திராஸ் சாசனாத் இதி சாஸ்திரம். So Shastras say we have to do, so we have to recognize Shastra. Then our forefathers also followed the guidance set by Alvars, Acharyas. It is for our good only. Samashran பண்ணா யாருக்கு லாபம்? நமக்கு தான் லாபம். அதனால பண்ணி. To distinguish between good and bad, நல்லது எது கெட்டது எது, அந்த ஞானம் ஏற்படும். You know the differentiation between right and wrong. And there will be some self-discipline. Shankachakra ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா self-discipline வரும். கண்டது சாப்பிட மாட்டோம். We don't eat unprescribed foods, prohibited foods. And then some self-disciplines. You will chant mantra. Mantra japam will give a lot of power. Then you do aradhanam regularly to whatever extent is possible. And then you will do some kainkaryam in temple or in the house. And you can get kalashepam, right? After samashram only you can go for rahasya kalashepam. So, everything is involved. You know, Krishna established a city in Dwaraka, right? You might have gone. There are 5 Dwarakas, right? Many of you would have known. 5 Dwarakas. The Dwaraka now which you find in near that ocean, near Bed Dwaraka, is Gomti Dwaraka, because Gomati river joins the ocean in the western side, right? So, that is in the Arabian Sea, right? That is called Gomti Dwaraka. And second one is Bet Dwaraka. Bet means where Krishna used to meet the sages, etc. in the island. Along with, he used to stay there with Ashtamayishis. That's called Bet Dwaraka. So, Gomti Dwaraka, Bet Dwaraka. Third one is Mool Dwaraka. That Mool Dwaraka is away from this Dwaraka on the way to Porbandar. Porbandar is the place of Sudama, Kuchela, and also birthplace of Gandhi. There, many know it as birthplace of Gandhi. Originally, it is the place where Sudama resided. Sudama's place, Porbandar. So, Gomti Dwaraka, Bet Dwaraka, Mool Dwaraka. Then another called Dakor Dwaraka. Dakor, D-A-K-O-R. That is near Ahmedabad. And Perumal is very fondly, affectionately known as Ranchodi. Why Ranchodi? No? Perumal ran away from battlefield when Jarasandha chased him, wantedly, because Krishna didn't want innocent people to be killed. Later on, Krishna only killed Jarasandha through Bhima. So, Krishna acted as if he is afraid of Jarasandha and ran away from battlefield to settle in Dwaraka. Jarasandha couldn't go to Dwaraka, he returned back. So, Ranchod, one who ran away from the Ranaranga, Ranabhumi battlefield. And Krishna knows it. Ranchod, Makhanchod, you say butter tape is happy. Ranchod means the one who ran away from battlefield is happy. Pandava Dhuta is happy. One is the servant of Pandava. Yeah. So, that is Dakor Dwaraka. Fifth one is Kankuroli Dwaraka. That is on the way to Srinathji Dwaraka, Rajasthan. This Kankuroli also comes under Rajasthan. The rest 4 are in Gujarat. Very nice place in Kankuroli Dwaraka. When I went there, I saw a big lake, very big lake. My God, very big lake. And then Rajasamand, yeah, it's called Rajasamand. And the lake also is in Raja Sambandh lake. How it came? Raja Sambandh. Sambandh. In Vallabhacharya Sampradaya, unless one gets Brahma Sambandham, he cannot go to Vaikuntha or Goloka, whatever it is. He cannot reach Krishna. What is the Brahma Sambandham? Acharya Sambandham. Whichever Acharya Sambandham, he cannot. Vallabhacharya came later, so they have adopted from our Sampradaya. Ramanuja is the beacon light for all other Sampradayas followed. Vallabhacharya Sampradaya, Gaudiyam Sampradaya, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Sampradaya, Nimbarkacharya Sampradaya, Vishnu Sarma Sampradaya, even Swami Narayan, everybody later. All of them took Bhakti cult as propagated by Ramanuja. Ramanuja Mula Karma in all our Bhakti Sampradaya. Okay, so Sambandha means association. Unless you have association of Acharya, see, he gives a Diksha there also. Vallabhacharya Sampradaya. Everywhere Diksha is there. Namba Madri, Pancha Samskara, Latana Vareduma Diksha, Manava Diksha, Mantra Diksha. So, that Acharya who is a descendant of Vallabhacharya, who should be remotely connected at least by genes to Vallabhacharya, only is qualified to give this Brahma Sambandha. And that mark is called Pushti mark. Okay? So, why I was talking this? I gave you this reference because Pancha Dwarakas. Dwaraka, when Krishna built a new city of Dwaraka in the ocean, he gave instructions to his servant. Entry, whom should we allow? They asked. He said, you allow only those who have Sankachak. Check and still inside. Samashna Nanavadha Ulavala. There is Bhagavad Harivamsa Purana. In Harivamsa Purana it is said, Krishna gave this instruction, allow those people who have Shankha Chakra in their shoulders only into the city of Dwaraka. So Harivamsa Purana talks about this. Isn't it? So that was ID code. Otherwise you are not a Vaishnava. So it's obvious. We also need an ID, right? Vaishnava needs an ID, unique ID. And unique ID is Shankha Chakra. Its growth, its glory. We'll be very lucky to, very fortunate to have this type of samskara, Pancha Samskara. So, Vaishnavas must apply, coming back to this, Vaishnava Lakshanas, they must apply Thiruman, please, starting Thiruman. If நிறைய பேருக்கு திருமணம் என்றதே கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. Many people they don't apply any tilak, any bottu or vibhuti or chandan, nothing, எதுவுமே விட மாட்டேங்க. ஏன்னா they feel ashamed. கோயிலுக்கு ஸ்கூல் போறதுக்கு எல்லாம் அப்படியே அழிச்சிட்டு போயிரு. Only Christians and Muslims are not allowed to put tilak. So Pope said, Pope of Vatican said, in 10 years, he said this in 5 years back. In 10 years, I will remove all these bottu from all the Hindus. Nobody will wear tilak. That should be our target. And they have achieved almost. So, நிறைய பேர் எங்கே எடுத்துக்கிறேன் இல்லையா, திருமணம் இல்லை, விபூதி கிடையாது, பொட்டு இல்லை, சந்தனம் ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை. ஹிந்துவா, கிறிஸ்டியனா, முஸ்லிம் ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாது. they feel insult. ஒரு அவமானமான இடத்துல ஸ்கூல்ல போனா எல்லாம் கிண்டல் பண்ணுவா, கேலி பண்ணுவா. People are not bold enough to apply this. tilak. Even like, சரி உங்க ரொம்ப வைக்கமா இருந்தா லைட்டா ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணுவோம்ல, ரிட்டர்ன் போலாமே, அழிக்க வேண்டாமே. ஓகே, so first thing is Vaishnavas must apply Thirumanchichanam on their forehead. நல்லா தெரியற மாதிரி. So, and another thing, Tirumali is very, very important, right? Performed Samashrayanam to Keshava Swamayaji, this Tirumali Nambi, and then gave his sister in marriage. See, that was the condition in those days. And you know, Keshava Swamayaji, Sriman Mahabhuta Pare Srimat Kesava Yajanaha Kantimatyam Prasudaya Iti Rajaya Mangalam. So Ramanuja's father is this Kesava Swamayaji. And you know, this Ramanuja became Jagat Guru. He propagated Vaishnavite principles throughout the world. His father was Kesava Swamiyaji. He had to undergo the Samashrayanam from Tirumali Nambi to get married. And I already told you, for boys, Samashrayanam after Upanayam. For girls, Samashrayanam after marriage. Anyway, nowadays, even that is also adjustable. Generally, this was the practice earlier. And this Pancha Samskaram, Samashrayanam, should be done only by an Acharya. எனக்கே தெரியும், நானே புக்கெல்லாம் படிச்சிருக்கேன். இதை டப்பான்னு வச்சுக்கிறேன் வச்சுக்கூடாது. சரியா? You cannot apply it. Or you cannot apply tattoo. Why all these acharyas permanently I will put a tattoo here? அதெல்லாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. There is a mantra. The mantroktama வைக்கணும். True mantra. Yeah, somebody asked Ramanuja's mother, Kantimati. Kantimati is the mother of Ramanuja. Kesava Swami is the father of Ramanuja. Okay. And Samashrayanam can be done to anybody, irrespective of their birth. Anybody can become a Vaishnava through this process. And the conch, shankam, symbolizes purity of knowledge. And disc, chakram, symbolizes purity of energy. Right shoulder bears the symbol of disc, and left shoulder bears the symbol of conch. And generally, after undergoing Pancha Samskaram, we should eat food prepared by those who undergone Samashrayanam, generally. And Pancha Samskaram is for everyone. And it's called Pancha Samskaram because it has 5 elements. Samashrayanam or Pancha Samskaram is one and the same. And the 5 elements are Tapam, Pundram, Namam, Mantram, Yagam. Once again, Tapam means Shankachakram, applying embossing on the shoulders. Pundram means applying Dwadasa Nama, Thiruman, Keshava, Narayana, Madhava, Govinda, Vishnu, Madhusudana, Trivikrama, Vamana, Sridhara, Rishikesha, Padmanabha, Dhamodhara. Why Thiruman? We have to decorate because body is temple of God. Right? The Perumal is residing in our heart. We said no? Within Puri Tat. Puri Tat is a place in the center of the heart, and Perumal resides in a lotus-shaped structure inside the Puri Tat. So when Perumal is staying inside, Perumal ulla irukkrappo indha udambu koila irukku. Yeah. And then we should purify the temple. Temple should be kept clean always. அதனால குடிக்கணும், நல்லா குடிக்கணும். ஏன்னா கோவில் நல்லா வச்சுக்கணும். சோப்புக்கு இப்பெல்லாம் போறாம நாசத்தோட வரக்கூடாது. நல்லா இருக்கணும். கோவிலுக்குள்ள நார் இருந்தா அப்படி இருக்கும். மாதிரி this body is the temple of God, so we should maintain in that context, in that consciousness. இல்லையா, நம்ம எல்லாம் பவுடர் எல்லாம் போடுறோமே இல்ல, கிலோ அரிசி மாவு கோதுமை மாவு மாதிரி பவுடர் போடுறோம். வெள்ளை பனா வெயில் வந்தா எல்லாம் கரைக்குது. We apply so much of powder, right? We should apply, we should decorate ourselves in such a way that Perumal is free. Perumal is பிடிச்சா மாதிரி decorate பண்ணி சந்தனெல்லாம் தடவிக்கலாம். So these 5 elements together, they form Pancha Samskaram. And this is open for all. Very, very important. So what we should understand, Pancha Samskaram is a must for everyone. யார் யார் சமாசிரம் பண்ணிக்கலையோ அவ பண்ணிக்கணும் சீக்கிரமா. சமாசிரம் பண்ணிட்டவா ஆராதனை கத்துக்கணும். Those who have done this Upanayam, they should do Trikala Sandhyavandanam, they should get Samasiram done very soon. And then they are eligible to do Tiruvaradhanam. They should learn Tiruvaradhanam and do. One of the students I was asking was telling that whom I was interacting, he said he was doing Tiruvaradhanam. Very nice, right? He learned Tiruvaradhanam and he is doing Tiruvaradhanam at home. Chinna paiyan. Very happy. Pandrathu periya bhagyam. Right? So the qualification to do Perumal Tiruvaradhanam is Samashranam. Right? And this Samashranam is referred in many places. It's not just some people wrote and then they went away. நிறைய இடத்துல இது சொல்லி இருக்கு, மறுபடியும் சொல்லி இருக்கு. One of the example I tell you is, தீயில் படுகின்ற செஞ்சொடராடி திகழ் திரு சக்கரத்தின் கோயிற் பொறியாடே ஒற்றுண்டு நின்று. We do service to Perumal after getting Samashrayanam done. Only then we become qualified to do Vaidika karma. So Samashrayanam is very, very important, right? In Tirupalland, yes, it comes. And Perumal is, and Yamadharmaraja will run away, seeing this Shankachakra. They will all run away. All the Bhuta, Presa, Pishacha, all the ghosts, evil spirits, vampires, whatever you see in the movie, they all will run away, seeing this cat. Bhuta, Preta, Pishacha, everything will run away. Seeing this Shankachakra. Right? You are not afraid of anything. You need not be afraid. They will run away. And people will come to you and then ask you how to overcome this anxiety, how to overcome this problem. And you can tell them, right? Jai Jai Sisadasana, etc. So remember, this tapam protects you from fear of death, fear of yama, fear of diseases. So that's an always take care of it. It's here only. And it's also a sort of acupressure. Right? You apply important points wherein that will activate all the parts in the brain and then make you more enthusiastic and energetic. But mainly we do this Panchasamskaram because Perumal wants it to be done. Perumal நம்மள வந்து பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, அதுதான் மீன். இது acupressure இருக்கு, acupuncture இருக்கு, இதெல்லாம் சொல்ல வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. But I am just adding the point, that's all. There are people scientifically proved that if you apply Thiruman here, it removes bad water from the sinus point, right? The sinus and இடம் இருக்கு, அங்கேருந்து கெட்ட ஜரத்தை எடுத்துரும் அப்படின்னா சொல்லியிருக்கோம், ப்ரூவ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். That has been proved, but we apply Thiruman season because Perumal wants to apply. அவ்வளவுதான், சாஸ்திரம். I will be happy if you apply my lotus feet on your forehead. That's how you are applying. Perumal also is applying Urdu Padram. Kasturi Tilakam Lalata Patale Lalata Palake. Perumal apply Kasturi, Nambarimal apply Kasturi Tilakam. Why should he apply? He loves it, he likes it. He loves you more when you apply Urdu Padram, when you apply Shankachakra. Right? So, Samashranam is a must for boys and girls equally. We will go to the juniors. Juniors have come. It will sort of revision to seniors, revision to juniors. Questions to you, revision. Juniors. Ajamila chanted the name blank at the time of his death. Which name? Juniors. Narayana. Yeah, fine. Vidya is fine. Next. Blank is a measure of time. Blank is a measure of time. Yes. Kalpa. Fine. Hasini. Fine. Vaishnava always thinks of blank. Thinks of whom? Yeah, right, Padma. Vishnu, correct. One should wake up in blank muhurtam. You have the blank. Yeah, Vivaswatya, Brahma. Brahma Muhurtam is correct. One must chant blank after waking up. Right? Hari. We must pray to blank Devi for walking on the ground. எந்த தேவியை பிரார்த்திக்கணும் பூமியில நடக்கச்சே? Yes, correct. Bhuma Devi, right? Very nice. Vidya. Bhuma Devi, correct. Anushtana means blank. Anushthanam enna? In English. Yes, correct. Practice. Right. Very nice. You remember. Gajendra is the name of blank. Yes, correct. Vedant. Gajendra, the name of? Yeah, Vivaswat. Elephant. Correct. We should sleep for a minimum of 6 hours. True or false? Right. True. Okay. Next. Elders recommend not to keep our head in blank direction while sleeping. Which direction? Yes, correct. North. Northern direction. Right. Okay. Very nice. So, good. Many of you did well because when I went through interaction, there's some exceptional candidate also. I will just send a summary of my interaction with all of you, with most of you. 60 students interacted with me. Still other students are left out. They can interact with me on 20 past 4 to 6 p.m. We'll give you a timetable also for that. Don't worry, we'll give you the link also. We'll send you the message. I have noted about their performance also. We will send it to you. Now, the question is, we were talking about Vaishnavism, Vaishnava, right? A Vaishnava is one who always, we'll just revise that point also because a revision for all of you. A Vaishnava, who is a Vaishnava? Vaishnava is one who always think of blank. Yes, Vishnu, always think of Vishnu. Right, fine. He doesn't have any envy, he is not egoistic, he composed because Lord Vishnu is present in him, enshrined in him. He speaks softly, he helps everybody, and he doesn't have the greed to acquire somebody's wealth. Even somebody criticizes, he accepts them, and he doesn't fight. He has a natural quality to help others whenever there is some suffering. It's not for your sin. So, to become a true Vaishnava, although we have all these qualities, these are all inner qualities, right? But there are outer symbols also. Veliyiliye kaamikkanum. Yeah. Suppose you love a cricket player, well, you show it also. Okay? Some people show it by wearing some badge, by tattooing his name to show that they love him. Similarly, we also should show that we love Perumal through scriptural injunctions, through what the scriptures say, not as we wish. You can't put I love Vishnu, a sticker on our forehead. That is also love. That is also display. That is a nethiyila otikka mudiyuma sticker. Or put a sticker here, Shanka, Chakra and Chanka. Or tattooing. நான் பெருமாள் பக்தன், இங்க ஒரு டாட்டூ இங்க ஒரு டாட்டூ. That's not the way. We have to show our external marks of a Vaishnava according to Vishnu's words. பெருமாள் எப்படி சொன்னாரோ அப்படிதான் போலாம். For Thiruman Chichana, we want in the form of padam, I will put in any way. You can't put in any way. There are measurements. There are shapes. Everything is prescribed. பெருமாளுக்கு அப்பதான் சந்தோஷம். கனா பின்னாலாம் போட்டு போகிறது பார்த்தாலே பயந்து ஓடுற மாதிரிலாம் போடுறது. You should apply tilak also according to, there are dimensions. And you have to chant those mantras, right? Keshava, then belly, Narayana, heart, Madhava, Govinda, Vishnu, stomach, right side, Madhusudana, Trivikrama, Vamana, Sridhara, Shrikesha, back, Padmanava, neck, Damodara, இருக்குல்ல. ஸ்ரீயை நம, அமிர்தோத்பவாய நம, கமலாயை நம, சந்திர சகோதரியை நம, விஷ்ணுபத்னியை நம, வைஷ்ணவியை நம, வராரூகாயை நம, ஹரிவல்லபாயை நம, சாங்கியை நம, தேவி தேவிகாய நம, சுரசுந்தேவி மகாலட்சுமி நம, சர்வாபிஷ்டவலப்பிரதாய நம, லக்ஷ்மி நாராயணாய சொல்றோம் இல்லையோ. யூ அப்ளை, ரைட்? யூ கான்ட் அப்ளை as you wish. Similarly, Agamas prescribe that we should undergo Samashrayanam or Pancha Samskaram. So, Pancha Samskaram is same as Samashrayanam. Pancha Samskaram means there are 5 rituals. Tapa, Pundra, Nama, Mantra, Yaga. Tapa means applying Shankachakram. Pundra means applying tilak in 12 places. Nama means, remember, Nama is not holy name, not Nama Sankirtan. Nama means keeping a Vaishnava name to a person if he doesn't have Vishnu's name. For example, if a person's name is Keshava, they will retain as it is, Keshava Dasa. That's all, enough. If his name is Picha, then he has to be changed, right? You can't say Picha Das. Kuti Das, and all you can't. You have to change. Krishna Das, Purushottama Das, right? Then Yagam. Yagam means Thiruvaradhanam. Then you are initiated into mantras. Tapa, Pundra, Nama, Mantra. Different secret mantras. And Yaga means Thiruvaradhanam. Generally, Thiruvaradhanam is not taught nowadays. Thiruvaradhanam அப்படின்னு இப்ப சொல்லி கொடுக்கறது இல்லை. ஆனா நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும், தெரியுமா? சமாச்சாரம் ஆனால்தான் பாத்திரத்தை தொட முடியும். Only when you take the Shankha Chakra, only you can enter into your kitchen, house kitchen, not temple kitchen, and touch the patram. In some houses, even now, இப்ப கூட சில பேர் அதுல சமாச்சாரம் இல்லாம கிச்சன் கூட நுழையக்கூடாது இது வச்சிருக்கான். It's a qualification. The temple also you cannot do any thanking without Samashrayanam. Clear? So Pancha Samskaram is a must. Pancha Samskaram is Samashrayanam. And we have to do Kainkaryam. Vaishnava means what? He offers Kainkaryam to Vishnu. What is Bhajan? Bhajan means what? Bhajan means what? Nowadays, many people have understood. Bhajan means Bhojan. அது பெங்காலிக்கான சொன்னா போஜன் அப்படின்னு, ஓ சாப்பிட்டு வந்துடும், போஜன் கரோ அப்படின்னு போய் ஆத்துக்கு போய் சாப்பிட்டு வந்துட்டாரு. பஜனை பண்ணிடா அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். பஜன் மீன்ஸ் பஜ சேவாயம். பஜன் இஸ் நாட் சாங். கைங்கரியம் ஒரிஜினலி நாட் சாங். பஜன்னாலே கைங்கரியம் தான் அர்த்தம். பஜ சேவாயம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு தாத்து ரூட். So bhajan means not just song. Bhajan means seva. So to do seva, you should be initiated. There are some Kainkaryams which need samachara, and the Pancha Samskara is a must. Now, what is the difference between Vaishnava and Bhagavata? Bhagavata is also servant of Vishnu. Vaishnava is a servant of Vishnu. என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ் அப்படின்னா, வைஷ்ணவன்னு சொன்னா இந்த லட்சணங்கள் இருக்கணும். ஆல் திஸ் லட்சணா சிம்பிள் should be there for a Vaishnava. At least tilak must be there. Compulsory. And Ramanuja's father was Keshava Somayaji. He underwent Samashrayanam from Tirumalai Nambi and then married his daughter, his sister. So, in those days, if you want to get married to a girl, they will ask, have you done your Panchasamskara? Panchasamskara Acha, Inda Acharya, then only they will give the girl. Apana Ponna Gurupa. Ponne Gurumata. So, in those days, Samashranam was a must before you get married. So, girls are also eligible to get Samashranam done. And boys generally they do Samashranam after Upanayanam, after sacred thread ceremony. So, Upanayanam means sacred thread ceremony. Punul. It's very important because you have come to the topic. This Yajnapavitam is very Yajnapavitam. You know what is the next level when you wear this? Paramam Pavitram, it is said that. So, Yajnapavitam is Paramam Pavitram. Very, very important. So, very pure. You have to be very careful. Yajnapavitam Paramam Pavitram. Jagriya vachikkanum andha punula. Idhula chavi kottu, வீட்டு சாவி, பக்கத்தாத்துக்கார சாவி, வண்டி சாவி, இதெல்லாம் போட்டு அப்படியே மாட்டக்கூடாது. You should not put all the key chains in the. Some people they find that in the Upanayanam. After opening the Yajnapavitam, Paramam Pavitram, very pure. Some people find the best way for the Yajnapavitam. They go on doing like this or that. Mudugu Sharif can like that. Finally it will break, thread. And a Mudugu Sharif ka. If it is thick, very nicely you can scratch your acupressure, acupuncture. Yajnapavitam means Paramam Pavitram. Very, 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 very pure, right? You should be very careful. You should not put anything in this. Chavi, Narsimha dollar, Surya Narayana, Lakshmi Narasimha dollar, Anumar dollar, Ella done with Kalchira, and the Yajnapavitam is like this. It's not Yajnapavitam. You can't put everything and anything there. It's not a key hanger or key chain hanger. You are free. You should give respect to this, right? Brahmamuri. So, this Upanayanam is not actually Punul. What is Upanayanam? Nayanam means eyes. Nayanam dana solram. Netram nu solram. Upa அப்படின்னா கிட்டக கிட்டக போய் பார்க்கறது. என்ன கிட்டக போய் எதை பார்க்கறது? பெருமாளை பார்க்க. பெருமாள் கிட்டக போய் பார்க்கறது. Going near Brahman. That is Upanayanam. Do you know this spectacle? In Sanskrit it's called Upanetram. Near to the Netram, near to the eye, so Upanetram. Similarly, near to the Brahman is Upanayanam. It takes you, because that is the first qualification to learn. Basic qualification to do Vedadhyanam is Upanayanam. Upanayanam எதுக்காக போறது அப்படின்னா Vedadhyanamத்துக்கு தான். Only for Vedadhyanam is this Upanayanam being done. So, immediately after Upanayanam, one should do Samashrayanam. And he should be taught how to apply Thiruman, 12 Thiruman, etc. Thiruman is mud, pure mud. Generally from Tirunarayanapuram or Ayodhya or some Dividesh of Thiruman. Koil ledu or a mand than per, Thiru mand. And so this Samashranam is a must for a Sri Vaishnava. Poonal aanavudaniye poi Samashranam pannikanam. and பரநியாசம் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஆச்சாரியால போய் கேட்டா பரநியாசம் பண்ணிக்குவோம், அது எடுத்துக்கலாம், கிளாஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாம், பரநியாசம் பண்ணிக்கணும். sooner the better. So remember, Pancha Samskaram is the ID card for a Vaishnava. And we can proudly say, I am a servant of Vishnu. நான் பெருமாள் விஷ்ணுவுடைய தாசன் பெருமையா சங்கச்சக்கரம் பண்ணிட்டு திருமண் சேச்சன் பெருமையா சொல்றோம். அவாவா கட்சிக்கிறா, அவாவா பண்ணிக்கிறா இல்லையா, பெருமையா கையில பச்சை போட்டுக்கிறா, பச்சை குத்திக்கிறா. There are many people who apply a tattoo to show that I am so and so party. He is my boss. Similarly, why should we feel ashamed to put our tilak and Shankachakra? We should also apply. Because it is a raksha also. This protects Shankha and Chakram. When applied on the shoulders, it protects you and gives you eligibility to do Kainkariya, Perumal Kainkariya. It protects you. Yama, it seems, Yama and his servant, they go every day around, check up. And if they find people are not wearing Thiruman Chichanam or Shankha Chakram, then they will punish. If they find Thiruman Chichanam or Shankha Chakram, they will run away. Oh my God, they are Vishnu Dutas, they are Vaishnavas. Kittage pogada iva kita. Ona maatno. Perumal thalichiru. Kaiyo goppidu poidu. Yama folds his hands in reverence to Vaishnava. Parihara Madhusudana Prapannan Prabhuraham Anyandanam. Anyandanam Prabhuhu Aham. Yama said to his servant secretly, I am the boss, I am the controller of all except Vaishnava. So don't go near Vaishnavas. He is telling this to Yamadutas. Yamadutarle bhayam angalam povadinga. Ava very powerful. Ava tabichita neenga sambala nane sambala. Yama is trembling with fear just at the mention of Vaishnavas, Pancha Samskaram, Tilak, Samasana, kettu nadukkum. So bad elements or bad evil spirits cannot come to us if you have Samashanam and Tilak, Uddhapundra Dharan. Parihara Madhusudana Prapanna Tirambel Minkandir Alvar. So it is recorded in the Puranas. So what is the use of applying a tilak or Samashanam Shankachakram is that anybody who sees your Thiruman is getting a punya. Anybody who sees Shankachakram is also getting a punya. Unnala avanu punya varadu. Avanukku labama nashtama unne paarthadale. He is so fortunate to see your Thiruman, to see your Shankachakram, and you are purifying them without your knowledge. Is it not? So Samashanam is a must. Ellarum panikkanum. Pancha Samskaram ellarum panikkanum. இல்லையா? இது பண்ணிக்கிறது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம், தேவையானது, அவசியமானது கூட. So remember, Shankha is on the left shoulder, Chakra is on the right shoulder, Thiruman in the forehead. Thiruvaradhanam means doing Aradhanam to Perumal. Mantra means sacred syllables, sacred hymns are. Mantram yatnena gopaye. What is this? Mantram yatnena gopaye. You have to protect mantram very secretly. Somebody asks you, what is your mantra? Oh, very simple, yeah, it is in that CD, you learn. You can't tell that mantra. What is Gayatri? Oh, somebody is singing very nicely. Beautiful female is singing Gayatri. You can't learn like that. It should be learned from a bona fide spiritual Vaishnava Acharya. Then only it will have an effect, otherwise no effect. Mantram yatnena gopaye. With great difficulty you should protect your mantra. Yatnena. So, Gurum Prakashaye Dhiman. One should always praise one's Guru. எங்க ஆச்சாரியனை பத்தி அடிக்கடி சொன்ன ஆச்சாரியனை புகழணும். அவர் சொன்னதுதான் இது, அவர் சொன்னதுதான் இது அவருடைய ஐடியா. Like that we should. Even if it is our own idea, we should say by grace of our acharya, I am able to tell this meaning. அப்படிதான் சொல்லணும். ஜாக்கிரதையா சொல்லணும். So, Thiruvaradhanam, then mantram. And once you get mantram from an acharya, Tirumantram, allana Ashtaksharam, 8 aksharam. There are 8 letters there. Dvayam, 2 parts are there. Charama Shlokam is 18 chapter 66. It is a Shlokam when chanted in the public, and it's a mantra when chanted in secrecy. So mantramavu irukku, shlokamavu irukku. Charama Shlokam. And that shows the easiest method for Sharanagati. So this knowledge you get only in Samasthana. Samasthana ஆனப்புறம் தான் கால்சியம் பயம் பண்ணலாம். You can go to கால்சியம் only after Samasthana. They will not accept you otherwise. If you go for ask for Kalshapam, Rahasya Sara Kalshapam, Masi Bhasha Kalshapam, they won't accept you if you don't have Samasthana. Samasthana is a prerequisite. சமாசிரயணம் பண்ணிண்டால் தான் அவ அவங்களுக்கு காலட்சேபமே சொல்லி கொடுப்பார். பண்ணாதவா அவசியம் பண்ண. Very powerful, and you have the qualification to chant powerful mantras if you take Samashrayana. So எல்லாரும் அவசியம் பண்ணி. So we'll revise once again for both seniors and juniors. Revision for you once again. Today we learnt about Pancha Samskaram or Samashrayana. Both are the same. Pancha Samskaram means it's a 5-fold ritual which is prescribed in the Agamas, not that we do on our own. According to the Agamas, whatever has been said, we follow that, and according to the Agamas, according to the Shastras, they declare that a Vaishnava must take initiation, which is Pancha Samskaram. 5-fold sacred rites or Samashrayana. So what are these 5? I said Tapam, embossing with heated Shanka and Chakra on the shoulders. Second is Pundram, applying Tilak Urdhva Pundram in 12 places. Third is Pundram, third is Mantram, to get initiated into secret mantras. Then you have Namam. Namam is not holy name here. Namam na sonna getting a Vaishnava name. If you do not have a Vaishnava name, be a person. Next, Yagam means performing Thiruvaradhana daily for the pleasure of the Lord. Thiruvaradhanam அப்படின்னாலே யாகம், பெரிய யாகம். So what does it mean? That you apply Shankha Chakra to show that you are the servant of Vishnu. You apply Thiruman to show that you are wearing the lotus feet of Vishnu. You constantly chant his name or his stotras or his mantras. And then you name yourself as servant, Madhavadasa, Keshavadasa, Narayanadasa, etc., etc. Yeah. So, and we should also perform Aradhanam. for his pleasure. What did I say about eating? Antaryami. சாப்பிட்டாச்சா அப்படின்றதுக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவா? அந்தர்யாமி antaryami acha, right? Means saptacha. This is a part of the Survara. It's called Anuyagam. So, Pancha Samskaram is very, 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 very required. Pancharatra Agamas give references for the Samashrayanam. It is applicable to all living entities, irrespective of whether they are male or female, and it doesn't see whether you are of this birth or that birth. Anyone can become a Vaishnava by getting initiated through this process. So, a person who has not followed the principles of Vaishnavism, although he was born in Vaishnava, can become purified by taking Samashranam again. Generally, for the boys, it is done after Upanayanam. For the girls, generally after marriage. Generally. So, before marriage, before marriage. And old age is not at all a limitation. Generally, one should avoid food given by those who are not initiated. So, this is a very, very important ceremony. Samashrayanam is very Vaishnava. Dikshai. In every sampradaya there is a Dikshai. Alla sampradaya there is Dikshai. Nama Dikshai, Yaga Dikshai, Mala Diksha, Tulsi Mani Kurtinda Diksha. They give Tulsi Mala from our way of this. They say Ram, Rama Diksha. Some people, Yaga Diksha, I will perform Yaga for you. Then they say, I am an Acharya because I am doing Yaga for your sake. Recall it. So, these are the things which one must remember about Samashrayanam. Now we will go to the infants. The infants have been taking part very enthusiastic. Infants, in fact, junior, senior, infants. Because infants have very, they're very eager to know more and more. So I went through some of the videos which was received on 13th May and 14th May. Sudarshana Krishna, Super Malayaga, dance adine channo. Jai Jai Sri Sudarshana, Shri Hari Sudarshan, the Narayana, அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப சூப்பரா இருக்கு. அது சொரூபத்தோட ஸ்ரீராம ராம ராமேதி சொன்னே ஒரு பிரதட்சணம் பண்ணிட்டான் ஜோரா. அப்புறம் ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம் கத்துனான். எங்காவது பார்த்தா ஒரு மாமி கேட்டான் என்னாச்சு அப்படின்னா, ஒன்றும் இல்லை ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம் குழந்தை கத்துனான். அவ்வளோ சந்தோஷம் அந்த வீடியோ. நிரால்யா ஞானானந்தமயந்த ஸ்லோகம் சொல்லிட்டு ஹரி ஆச்சாரியா பெருமாள் பூவராகன் பூமாதேவி சொல்றதே அழகா இருந்தது. So nice, very cute. Just a minute. And then Niralya, ரொம்ப என்ன சொன்னா, சர்வஜித் சொன்னோம். சர்வஜித் அடியேன்னு சொல்லி பாடுற மாதிரி இருந்தது. ஏதோ லுக்கிங் லைக் எ சாங். And Narayana, Madhava, Sri Vaishnavan, Swami Deshigan, Perumal, Pirati. And then his sister was teaching him. She is also a child, and he was, Sarvajit was repeating. As and when Avarija taught him the holy name. And then Rama 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 in the Raga. Very nice. Many people chanted this Rama Rama. Srinidhi Ramanujam. very cute. Adiyan Jai Sriswarsana. The Adiyan was very cute. Then she was almost dancing. Perumal, Prati, Narayana, everything. Ramachandra, Raghuveera, like this. She did a bhajan. Ramachandra, Mamadevam, she know, very nice, just touching. Cut in this, Ramachandra, Mamadevam, Enadu Devam, the Panda, Srinidhi Ramarija. Super. Sriranga Priya, அவ விஸ்வம் விஷ்ணு பெருமாள் அப்படின்ட்டா. விஸ்வம் விஷ்ணுன்னு பயந்து போயிட்டேன். ராத்த நாம சொல்ல போறேன். விராட்டினா மானாதீத சொல்றான். மானாதீத பிரேத விபவா. அப்புறம் நாராயணின வனமாலி அப்படின்னா மாதவா ராத்திரி படுக்க வச்சு சொல்லணும். ஸ்ரீ வைஷ்ணவன் விஷ்ணுவை சேவிப்பவன். சுவாமி தேசிகன் உடனே ராமானுஜ தயா பாத்தம் சொல்றான். இந்த பொண்ணு ஸ்ரீரங்க பிரியா. நிரல்யா மறுபடியும் she sent another day, இன்னொரு நாளுது. அதே மாதிரி ராமானுஜ தயாபாத்திரம் வந்தே வேதாந்தி ராகத்தோட லட்சுமிநாத சமாராம குரு பரம்பரை சொல்லி and then வராகன் சுவாமி தேசிகன் சொல்லிட்டு நிரல்யா எப்ப சொன்னாலும் படுக்கையில உட்காந்து ரொம்ப அழகா ரெக்கார்டிங். அவங்கதான் உட்காந்து ஒரு மூல ஒரு மாதிரி. நிச்சல் அந்த குழந்தை கை கூப்பிண்டு சுவாமி தேசிகன் அப்படின்னு டான்ஸ் ராம ராம அந்த டான்ஸ் இருக்காரு. பார்கவி, ராமச்சந்திர ரகுவீரா ரொம்ப கியூட்டா இருந்தது. ராம 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 ரொம்ப கியூட்டா இருந்தது கேட்கறதுக்கு. அண்ட் தென் வெரி நைஸ் பெருமாள் ஆச்சாரியன் எல்லாம். அது கையில பொம்மை வர வச்சு ஃபைன். So Keshavan also, Keshavan said to me, we could hear many people, no, சில பேர் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். நல்லா இருக்கு, ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. We get inspired by seeing the children chanting the holy name. So இன்னைக்கு அந்த குழந்தைகளுக்கு என்னன்னு பார்ப்போம். அவ என்ன சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னு ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். எல்லாம் நீங்களும் சொல்லுங்க, அவ தான் சொல்லணும்ல. விஷ்ணு சொல்லுங்க. விஷ்ணு விஷ்ணு. திருமண் திருமண் திருமண். சங்க சக்கர சங்க சக்கர சங்க சக்கர சங்க சக்கர. சங்கோட சக்கரம் ஏந்தும் தடக்கையன். எங்க இருக்கு, எந்த பாசுரத்துன்னு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். யார் சொல்லுவா? சங்கோட சக்கரமேந்தும் தடக்கையன் அங்கைய கண்டானை பாடேலோரெம்பாவான். என்ன பாசுரம், என்ன ஸ்டார்டிங்? Which is the starting verse and what is the பாசுரம்? திருப்பாவை, very good. Starting line 14th, right? உங்கள் படக்கடை, ரைட், ஃபைன். உங்கள் படக்கடையில சங்கோடு சக்கரம் மீண்டும் தடக்கையன். சங்கோடு சக்கரம், சங்கு சக்கரம். அப்புறம் ஸ்ரீராமானுஜாச்சாரியா, ரிப்பீட். ஸ்ரீராமானுஜாச்சாரியா, ஸ்ரீராமானுஜாச்சாரியா, ஸ்ரீராமானுஜாச்சாரியா. வைஷ்ணவா வைஷ்ணவா வைஷ்ணவா. பாகவதா 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 பாகவதா. சுவாமி தேசிகன் சுவாமி தேசிகன் சுவாமி தேசிகன். அப்புறம் எனி பஜன், ராமநாம பஜன். குழந்தைங்க என்ன சொல்லணும் இன்னைக்கு? விஷ்ணு, திருமண், சங்க சக்கர, ஸ்ரீராமானுஜாச்சாரியா, வைஷ்ணவா, பாகவதா, சுவாமி தேசிகன். கதையெல்லாம் நல்லா புரியுது இல்லையோ? கதை வந்து கதை எல்லாருக்கும் கதை ரொம்ப நல்லா புரிஞ்சு. அப்ப சொல்றதே துருவன் கதை, கஜேந்திரன் கதை எல்லாரும் சொன்னோம். ராமநாமா எழுதுறேன்னு சொன்னான், துருவன் கதை சொன்னான். கேட்கறதுக்கே ஆனந்தமா இருக்கு. Right? Different versions, but story, main story was the same. They did very nicely. நல்லா சொல்லலாம் குழந்தைகள்லாம். இன்னும் சில குழந்தைகளை வாயால கேட்கணும்னு ஆசை. ஸோ அவ வந்து 21st அன்னைக்கு யார் யார் வரையும் அவளுக்கும் ஒரு எந்த ஜூம்ல அனுப்புவோம் உனக்கு. அவளுக்கு they can meet 21st 4 to 6 21st